Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this cosmic effect sort of style to your photos on CapCut. So I'm just going to select a photo. I'm just going to select this one, and I'm just going to select add and wait for it to load. And then I'm just going to select the picture, and I'm going to select style, and then I'm just going to select cosmic effect, select it, and wait for it to generate. And this is what it will kind of look like at the end. Super simple, but you can add it to your photos. I'm not sure you can add it to videos, but you can definitely add it to your photos. Mostly the things that are in style. You can apply it for photos like this one, Photo Slinky. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to, click that thanks button on the description box down below. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.